Draw a circle at the origin. We give it a height. Actually, it isn't just high enough. But it's my first tying, so I know if that's enough. Since the body here needs to cover the whole bottle, we need another sketch, just a circle. Select the sketch and simply push it into the body. Click on the number 0.0, then type the number we want. The depth isn't enough either. Literally, 8mm will be enough if you want to make a bottle which needs the cup. Turn it around so we don't have some annoying problems while printing. So at first, we measure the length, 8.5mm. Draw a triangle. Since the printer can print models so precise, so it is enough. Select both the triangle and the x-axis. Now we've got the perfect through threads. Show the cut body. Then place it here. Like this. Here, we create a copy of it. Let's do name for the copy. Go to the bottom view to draw a sketch. I'll skip the drawing part. I changed a little for the screw threads, just to replace it with a larger size. Drop it here. Do you need to see more details? A gap is here, and make sure that it works correctly when it's printed. The step we're done, we need few simple steps to complete it. Then there's the bottle's copy, placing the original one. So it's now an empty bottle. We can place water in it when it's printed.